Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy fix for something that's bugged a lot of us. Those pesky numbers on your Google app icon. You know, the ones that pop up for notifications or updates. In 2025, with all the latest app updates, removing them is simpler than ever. Whether you're on Android or iOS, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get a clean, clutter-free home screen in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why do these numbers appear? They're basically badges that show unread notifications from the Google app, like emails in Gmail or search alerts. But if they're overwhelming your icon, it's time to turn them off. Start by unlocking your device and opening the Settings app. This is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your device. This will bring up a list of all your installed apps. Now, find the Google app in that list and tap on it. Don't worry if it's buried. You can use the search bar if your settings have one. Next, look for the Notifications section within the Google Apps settings. Tap on that, and you'll see various options. Scroll until you find something like Badges, App Icon Badges, or Notification Dots. For Android users, this might be under Advanced Settings, while iOS users could see it directly. Simply toggle off the badge option, that should do the trick. If you don't see it right away, double-check for any sub-menus or go back to the main app info and look for notification permissions. After you've made the change, exit out of Settings and head back to your home screen. Give it a second to refresh, and voila! Those numbers should be gone. Remember, this process might vary slightly based on your phone's manufacturer or OS version, like Samsung or Pixel devices having extra layers. If you're still seeing the numbers, try restarting your phone or checking for app updates in the Google Play Store or App Store. There you have it, folks. A clean Google icon in just a few steps. This little tweak can make your phone feel so much more organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.